This is the unboxing of the extra large EMT trauma bag from Lightning X. We needed a comprehensive kit to send along with a group of students to summer camp. In the past, we've tried to piece it together, but inevitably just something was missing. This kit is a great solution to make sure we've got everything we need. Stethoscope, instruments for cutting, tubes, blood pressure, cuff, CPR mask in a nice hard case, manual resuscitator with mask. This refill pack has burn relief spray, blood stop spray, tourniquet, cloth tape, a few other things. Mask with tubing for oxygen tank, Band-Aids. There's a neck brace in there, and it has instructions on how to use it printed on there. Different types of bandages and gauze. Medical kit accessories pack. Gauze and sterile sponges. Multi-purpose trauma pads. Removable foam dividers. As you can see, everything comes packed up, so you're going to need to take a little time and organize this bag in a way that works for you. There's also lots of organizational space in the front and side pockets. And the bottom is water resistant. You can lock the bag if you need to with the hooks that are on there. That's the side pocket, and that's a picture of the front pocket. Again, there's so much space. This bag is so thorough. It's exactly what we need to keep our kids safe at camp.